Yeah, for twins, for sure. It's very common.
Yeah.
I told her you have to be happy and
Sure.
Love,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
it's okay.
I mean, it's not
Hard
anything.
to be away from
Absolutely.
your baby. I know.
And
I know
nobody
that.
plans on it, you
Yeah.
know, so it's definitely difficult, but so far so good. I know it's hard with all the glare on the glass, right?
You have a good nurse.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm here till 7:30 tonight, and then the night nurse will come on. I think it might be Gina who's coming tonight. She had him.
7:30.
Yeah, yeah. So we do
okay. So the
15 to
12 hours
7:30.
shift.
Yeah. So.
This is going to show it to her husband.
Yeah. Where is Daddy?
Daddy's home.
Home.
Oh my God, looks like he's moving.
He's wiggling around.
Yeah.
So it's good. When they're active, it's good.
I hope you're not tired with that position, honey.
Yeah. Side wing.
Yeah.
I think that's the only way that
Normally we with the small one.